Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Crosshair Thermal IR Detector, also known as the TIR Crosshair. So this is a very sensitive temperature change detector. So if the temperature increases, it'll show red lights. If it decreases, it'll show blue lights. So it tells you how much or how fast it's changing by the amount of lights that have shown. So if you just see a few red lights, it means the temperature's increased a bit or it's increasing slowly. If you see a lot of red lights, it's increasing faster, it's increasing a lot. Same for the blue. So it takes a 9-volt square battery in the back. We have the power switch on this side. We can turn the sound on and off. We can zero it manually, or we can set it to auto zero. This is the side with the infrared sensor on it, which detects the temperature changes. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. So it's just calibrating. So now it's on. If I move my hand in front of it, obviously my hand's warmer than room temperature. So if I move my hand in front of it, and the further I move it across, the more lights light up. So that's maximum there. Every light was on. But if I just put it near, you'll not get as many lights. In front of me I've got a metal chair. Metal is usually colder than room temperature. So if I face it at the metal chair leg, obviously we're getting blue, because that's colder than room temperature. So yeah, really sensitive. You can ask spirits to walk in front of this. Some spirits increase the temperature, some decrease it, but any spirits that move in front of it is likely to trigger it. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.